So, Miss Tiffany, you just finished 100% of your pre-orientation with Mommy and We Travels. I'm gonna go ahead and release the confetti balloons. I'm so proud
Yay.
of you. So,
I'm so excited.
listen, what was the hardest part, and what are you excited about the most?
Ooh, I want to say the hardest part is just like really realizing that you can do it. Like I can actually do it, you know. Like
Yes,
it you make it a little trip. I get it tripped up a little bit here and there, but like yeah, I can do
yes,
it.
you can. Listen, you done been through the whole course. Listen, like I tell all of my agents that are 100% done, I totally feel comfortable sending a client with you in any event that I can't, book a trip. I feel totally
Mhm.
comfortable sending to you because you know what you're doing. You know what you're doing.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So, Miss
Thank you.
Tiffany, what are you excited about the most?
I'm really excited just helping people travel the world, really.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
I'm just
I'm
ready for, you give me what you need and I got you.
This is true. I'm excited for you. So, Miss Tiffany,
Give
what
me
was your
what you're looking for,
experience?
where you want to go.
Yes, 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 yes. I love that. So no, as long as you're putting they're putting in their travel booking inquiry forms, you know exactly what they need. And listen,
Mhm.
don't be letting these clients waste your time because they'll try. They will try. They
Oh
will.
yeah, look, I've just started, but I've already experienced that
Yes.
already.
See?
Like, yeah,
You got to make sure
yeah,
you're qualifying them. If you're not
hmm
qualifying them, they will try to waste your time.
yeah, yeah.
Yep.
Here and there, like, oh, look at this, look at that, look at this, look at that.
Uh-huh.
It's
Yes,
like
yes,
you have
yes.
no intention of booking any of this. But
Absolutely.
yeah, so I totally get it. Yeah,
No.
I know you.
All right.
Yeah,
So,
work
what was your
through.
experience working with us and being trained directly by us?
Great experience. Like I 10 out of 10 recommend. Okay, like
Yeah.
it's no question that I could ask that you wouldn't know the answer or wouldn't mind finding the answer.
Yes, I always tell everybody,
So
listen, I don't know everything. If I don't know it, we're gonna find out together. I
yeah,
can promise you that. But
it
I like that. I like that.
was definitely a great experience for sure.
Well, thank you so much, Miss Tiffany. You got any other final questions? Like I said, I'm so proud of you. Like you did it. Like you're done. Even if you don't feel like you're done, listen, you
Mhm.
you you did it. You qualify for all of your travel agent benefits. You can get your Clear card now. I will tell you all of the details about all of the secret
Mhm.
trips and
Mm.
stuff.
I
Listen,
can't wait. Cannot wait. Yeah, but I have really no more additional questions. I mean, pretty much all answered. So
well, listen, Miss Tiffany, thank you so much for choosing us. And remember, I'm only a phone call, text message,
yes,
Facebook message
yes.
away. Okay,
And that's so true.
I am.
Thank
I
you for
am.
everything. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you for everything.
You're so very welcome, Miss Tiffany. So I'll talk to you on your next meeting. Okay.
Okay. Bye bye. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Bye.
Bye.